Hello everyone, I am Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another question that has been taken from the test of mathematics book at 10+2 level. Now the question is as follows: the minimum value of the quantity a square plus 3a plus 1 into b square plus 3b plus 1 into c square plus 3c plus 1 whole divided by abc, where a, b and c are positive real numbers is. Now we are provided 4 options for this question. Option A 11 cube by 2 cube, option B 125, option C 25 and option D 27. So this was our question that has been taken from the test of mathematics book at 10+2 level, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that I've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are given an expression a square plus 3a plus 1 into b square plus 3b plus 1 into c square plus 3c plus 1, which is whole divided by the product of a, b and c. Now according to our given question, we have to find the minimum possible value of this quantity. Now to find out the minimum value, our first step is to separate all the values containing a, b and c respectively into 3 different brackets. So upon separation, we'll get a square plus 3a plus 1 whole divided by a into b square plus 3b plus 1 whole divided by b into c square plus 3c plus 1 whole divided by c. So this is what we have got. Now what we can do is, we can take common a from both numerator and denominator, and in the second bracket we can take common b, and in the third bracket we'll take c. So upon taking that, we'll get a plus 1 by a plus 3 into b plus 1 by b plus 3 into c plus 1 by c plus 3. So this is the step that we have got, and now we have to find the minimum possible value of this. So let's proceed with our solution. So this is the last step that we have got, and now we have to find the minimum value of this quantity. Now to find out the minimum value, we have to first find the minimum value of a plus 1 by a, b plus 1 by b and c plus 1 by c. Now to find out the minimum value, we can use the property that am of two numbers is always greater than or equal to geometric mean of those two numbers. So if we take the am of a and 1 by a, we can have a plus 1 by a by 2, and the gm is equal to a into 1 by a, and according to the property, this is always greater than or equal to it. So upon solving it, we'll get that a plus 1 by a is always greater than or equal to 2. Now why we had applied this property? This is because in our question it is given that a, b and c are positive real numbers, and that is the only criteria that is required to use this property, that am is always greater than or equal to gm. So we can consider a and 1 by a as two different numbers, and we'll apply the property. So we've got a plus 1 by a by 2 is always greater than or equal to under root of a into 1 by a. So from here, a and a will get cancelled, and we'll get root 1, and this 2 will get transferred over here. So we've got the minimum possible value of a plus 1 by a as 2. Now we don't have to find the minimum possible value of b plus 1 by b and c plus 1 by c, because they will be also equal to 2, because the expression is same, just the variables are different. So the minimum possible value of a given quantity is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 125, and according to a given option, it is option number B. So our final answer for the minimum possible value of a quantity is option number B, 125. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ASN Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ASN Academy.
Oh,